How to add blur effect. Are you guys facing issues to add blur effect or blur background on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to add video or blurriness on. Once you open the project, select the part that you want to add blurriness on. Once you select it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this effects icon. Tap on it. Now click on video effect. Tap on source bar and search for blur. Select the first option. Once you select it, click on cancel. Now tap on check mark. And that's it guys, that's how you can add blurriness on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.